Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the smallest divisor of an integer. So let's start this. In the first line, this defines a function named smallest divisor that finds and returns the smallest positive divisor of a given number, and this passes a parameter number which is the input integer for which we need to find the smallest divisor. In the next line, this converts the input number to its absolute value, passing the absolute function, ensuring the function handles negative numbers correctly. Because the mathematical concept of divisors applies to the absolute value of the number. In the next line, this checks if the input number is less than or equals to 1, as number less than or equal to 1 do not have meaningful divisors. Here, it returns it must be greater than 1. In the next line, the loop iterates through integers starting from 2 up to a number inclusively, as we start at 2 because 1 divides every number and we are interested in finding smallest divisor greater than 1. Here in the next line, it checks if the current number I divides number evenly. Here, if number percentage I is equals to 0, it means I is a divisor of number, and this returns the first I that satisfies the divisibility condition, which is the smallest divisor. Since the loop starts at 2 and increments, the first match is guaranteed to be the smallest. Now, the next line, this prompts the user to enter an integer. Here in the next line, calls the smallest divisor function with the user provided number and stores the result in the resulted variable. The last line, this line prints the result in a formatted string that includes the input number and its smallest divisor. So let's check this program. I'm entering 12. Hence the smallest divisor of 12 is 2. So thanks for watching this video.